Whoa! Who's this coming out of the TV? Oh, it's a girl from a horror movie. I've wanted to brush your hair forever. The morning is not the best time to make up complicated hairstyles. So just brush your hair and do a smooth ponytail. Hide the elastic band under a strand of hair, and let's decorate it with rhinestones. Attach rhinestones with a self-adhesive base to your hair. You can just do a few rhinestones or lay out a whole geometric ornament on the back of your head. You will look dazzling with this hairstyle. Stop playing with your hair. It's time for some serious hairstyles. Separate part of your hair. Make a low ponytail on the side. Get some gold hairpins. Insert them into your hair. Place them in one direction to make gold scales. An asymmetrical hairstyle is a good reason to take a bright selfie and show the best version of yourself to your Instagram followers. Are you tired of keeping your hair down? I have a great idea! Brush your hair and make a low ponytail. Separate a thin strand. Pass the end of the strand through a hairband. Make one more loop on the other side. Go down and grab the hair with a hairband. Create loops on the sides. Repeat this trick until it's long enough. Look, it's so delicate and pretty! This hairstyle will look the best on perfectly straight hair. So don't forget to straighten your hair with an iron. For the next idea, you need bobby pins and some seashells. Hot glue a bobby pin to one of the shells. Embellish it with a pearl. Make some oceanic hair accessories. Curl your hair in advance. Lift up the upper part of the hair and pin it. Collect the lower part in a ponytail. Open up a bun donut. Cut off a piece of the size you need. Fasten it to the hair to add volume. Pinch the strands on both sides. Let the upper hair loose. Pin everything down until your hair looks like this. Decorate the look with shells. A hairstyle for a beautiful mermaid is ready! Oh, I feel like going to the beach! Twisted braids are a great way to stand out and look amazing. Here's how to make sure the braids don't get into your face. Separate a few braids on both sides. Collect them on the back of your head and tie them in a knot. Tie one more knot of braids below. Tie the braids and leave free braids at the bottom. Remove the braids from your face. Tie them and secure them on the back of your head too. Very nice! Would you like to try this hairstyle? Let us know in the comments. Let's prepare for another bright idea. You will need 2 sheets of foam paper. Peach foam paper would be perfect. Cut off a corner. Fill each of the pieces with arches. Then draw cross lines. Shade them in. Make a cone. Hot glue the edges. Fill the pyramids with synthetic stuffing. Prepare the base for the hairstyle. It's easy! Make 2 regular ponytails. Take 2 hair donuts and make 2 buns from them. Fasten the waffle cone using bobby pins. Take eyeshadow. Color the buns in bright shades. You'd never think that your hair can be as sweet as ice cream. This original hairstyle is perfect for a fun summer party. For the next idea, take some straws. Cut off the bendy part. Hot glue the straws to each other. Take a thin, flexible wire. Put it through the straws. Bend it like this. Fasten the straw piece to the hair. Use a hairpin or bobby pin. Take strands from both sides of the head one by one and wind them around the bends of the wire piece. This straw can be a great help for people who don't know how to do complicated braids. Weave the rest of the hair into a normal 3-strand braid. Secure it with an elastic band. Decorate your hair with bright foam paper roses. This hairstyle is perfect for regular days. Every girl would love to have flowers in her hair. It looks amazing! My hair always gets in the way and gets in my eyes. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Separate the hair on the top of your head. Tie a ponytail. Make 2 loose braids. Extend one braid link and pass a strand through it. Pull out the other strands. You get a waterfall effect. Pass the strands from the other side through the links of the second braid. Undo the ends of the braids and secure them with an elastic band. Cover the rubber bands with decorative flowers. What a gentle and romantic look! Perfect for a date! Are you stressed out? It can be so frustrating if you can't braid your hair and make it look good. Take a deep breath and call a friend for help. Don't worry, I'm at your service and I'll help you relax. Separate a thin strand and weave a braid. Pass the braid under the loose hair like this. Hide the end of the braids under the hair with the help of a bobby pin. On the other side, weave another braid. Create the same pattern and pin it. Weave one more braid on each side. Connect them with a thin elastic band. Decorate your hair with a flower. I'm crazy about this new hairstyle! It looks very sweet! For this idea, collect your hair in a regular half ponytail. Take a thin scarf. Attach it to an elastic band. Twist the hair around the scarf in a spiral. Make a bun. Secure it with hairpins. Done! The scarf will add volume to the bun and will make you look interesting. Let's share another idea for long hair. Make a high ponytail. Hide the elastic band with a strand of hair. Divide the hair into parts. Make 4 braids. Now take a chain. Wind it around the outermost braid. Decorate the rest of the braids with chains too. Weave a thick 4-strand braid. Hair with a chain will make you the center of attention, guaranteed! For the next idea, brush your hair. Collect the upper part of the hair. Hide the elastic band with a thin strand, wrapping it around the tail. Grab the free part of the tail with another rubber band. Divide the strand into 2 parts and twist the tip. Pull out the strands. Remove the strands from the tail on the sides. Cover the hairband with your hair. Make one more twist from a free part of the tail. Repeat the technique to the very ends of the hair. This hairstyle would get you into the Oscars! It's very feminine! And now you need a hair mousse and some dyes. Squeeze the mousse into a container. Add dye. Mix it with a stick. Let's prepare some different shades. Now find a model with blonde hair. Collect the hair in ponytails. Make 4 from the front to the top of your head. Put the colored foam on your hair. Blue, orange, pink, green. All these colors are amazing! Wow, this rainbow unicorn-inspired look is so much fun! It's not as hard to grow long hair as it is to come up with an unusual hairstyle. A beautiful scarf comes to the rescue. Make a ponytail. Tie the scarf. Use a silicone rubber band to tie the hair between the free ends of the scarf. Go down the hair and tie the tail off again. The soft fabric makes your hair look much more interesting than a regular boring ponytail. Make the color of the scarf contrast with your clothes for a fresher look. My hair is so boring and bland. Maybe a bright hairstyle will cheer it up? Separate a part of the hair in the center. Make a French braid. Pull out the strands to make it look lighter. Secure it with a silicone rubber band. Divide a strand into 2 parts. Weave braids. Cut the elastic band. Cross the braids and put them behind your head. Decorate your hair with an exotic feather. One small detail and everyday hair turns into a beautiful, stunning look. It looks like something from the Great Gatsby, right? Did you like our unusual hairstyles? Then comment below which one you can't wait to try out. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to see more useful ideas for hair from Troom Select.